So I'm gonna add, this is stew. This is how I prepare my son's egg. I'll add stew. Let's add our salt and bouillon. So I'm gonna mix it. This egg is for picky eaters. I'm gonna add our egg.
See the egg. Hey, the egg. Yeah.
This egg is ready because we don't want it dry. Okay? That's dry. It's time to plate our food.
Dun, 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 dun.
And this egg is ready. So today we fried egg, unique egg. We added the stew to the egg. Okay, instead of tomatoes, plain unique egg. Come to the end of this video. Please subscribe, share, comment, and bye. Alright, can I come and take?